Hello, my name is Neil Ainger. I'm here with Finextra at the Digital Insurance Agenda show in Barcelona. Joining me we have Vladislav Solodkiy, who is the managing partner at a fintech investment fund called Life Sreda. And Vladislav, I'm very interested to know why you're at the show and if you think insurance could become a real kind of hub for fintech.
If we will check results of previous year in fintech area, we will see that two areas of fintech growing faster than all other directions. It is blockchain and insurtech. In blockchain, we just launched our third fund with Chris Skinner, focusing only on blockchain for banks. But in terms of insurance, we have to educate ourselves as investors and also to know more about startups. And in terms of this question, DIA Barcelona really not one of the best, but really, to my opinion, best event in terms of quality of startups and speakers.
Yes.
More than 500 mature but open-minded guests. They're not boring. And in terms of design and technical equipment, it's very trendy right now, edutainment, and it looks like 2 days of great edutainment for all of us.
And what end uses do you see the technology being put to? So for instance, we could have general insurance using omni-channel digital transformation, customer kind of facing technologies, or do you see it more as risk-based technologies using big data and AI to help underwriters?
I think that the best case in insurtech right now belongs not to insurtech, but belongs to Tesla. Tesla really changed not only the distribution model from factory auto dealers and buyers, but to showrooms and direct sales from online. And in terms of insurance, they really disrupted this area because they know everything about you, your type of how aggressive you as a driver, and about price. It's not just price competition. We are cheaper or more expensive than our competitors. It's really other type of risk estimation. And in terms of big data, really how new activities which focus into insurtech. Okay, some of startups try to do something cheaper than traditional insurance companies, but in terms of long tail, future belongs to data and how you estimate this data and how you can move not only to stay only inside insurance, but how you can, for example, unite your insurance business with fitness business, with food, with car industry, automotive industry, and education, and because too many directions influence to insurance, and also, for example, area like marketplaces like Uber and Airbnb, they also driving insurance industry a lot. Traditional insurance do not understand how to hedge this risk, but you have to have an answer to these new big companies and what they do and how you will hedge their risk.
So it's kind of like a behavior spotting software, so drivers can be priced according to how they drive, and dynamic technology like that you think we will be seeing more and more of in the insurance sector?
Yeah, I think that in this year we will talk a lot about, as I mentioned, about blockchain and insurtech. In terms of insurtech, I think that it will be not traditional faith of like for whole fintech, because in this area not only VC funds will play main role, but banks and insurance companies have to participate since the beginning. They have to work directly with this area. It is a big question for them how they will do it. Do they will try to copy paste, or they will try to invest directly, but they are not VCs? How they will choose best one? Because these guys from startups, they do not want to be hired in insurance companies. They want to work with, and relationships like investor and startups different in comparison with employer and employees, and how these big players will tailor the proposal for startups, or maybe they will invest in some fintech funds, and these funds will discover for them this new area, new opportunities. It's a real big question, but it's so fast-growing industry. They have to have a quick answer.
Yeah. So you've invested in banking, fintechs, in other areas. How does insurance compare to those other sectors? Will you be putting more funds into insurance because you see growth there?
I think that at the beginning it will be mostly about just price comparison sites, cheaper proposals in comparison with traditional companies, but as I mentioned before, big data will play a bigger role step by step, and I think that what we will see, it will be something on the border between insurance, finance, and some new industries, like for example IoT, because you mentioned about some different technical features from automotive industry, and it's not achievement of automotive industry, it's achievement of IoT solutions, and how you will combine whole devices around you with other gadgets, homes, your clothes, and your fitness trackers, smartwatches, etc. And
the dynamic internet of things.
I think that this combination of three industries, insurance, finance, and IoT, Internet of Things, it will provide so much data, but really new data, not uncategorized as before, but really new data which can be, and the main question for startups will be how you will analyze it, because aggregation, it's not an answer. Aggregation is just noise, but how you will estimate better risk.
Vladislav, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you so much for invitation. Great event.
And thank you for watching.